Good day, folks. Back here with another update for rainy day. My name is Gervonté Fowler. If you're new here, I'm a software engineer from the Bahamas, Nassau to be exact. I worked at a startup for a few years, went and got my master's degree in computer science, and now I'm building this product. It's a personal finance management app for the Bahamas and subsequently some other places in the Caribbean, just based on the nature of the banks that we have in the Bahamas. Um, so what you will see as we start this video off, we already had this brand new Auth screen. So this is actually a smaller update than the previous two. The first one I'd call like a proof of concept. The second one was like a proof of value. And this one kind of builds on the second update in the last video I did, just making the value a little bit more apparent. So with the last one, I had added post hog to have sort of observability behind the app. And I shared the demo, the public demo, which I'll get into. But what I had realized is that there was a few problems. Now, the first problem was that people were getting stuck on the first screen, which allow you to pick between two profiles. We had Ray and Raina, which were basically meant to model how persons are usually paid. Either you have a standard salary or you have sort of just recurring income that's not really like a salary. Ray was a barber and Raina is a customs officer. So what I realized that some folks were not moving past the first screen. And so what I did to address that, instead of having that first picker screen, we just take you straight into the demo. So when you click the same link, it instead takes you straight into the demo. Now, a second problem I had noticed and had spoken to users about was that once they got started with the app, they didn't actually know what to do. They see the charts and everything like that. So once again, this is maybe to make the value more clear than it was before. So with that being said, let's just dive into the demo. You can see, it should help you stay ahead in less than 5 minutes. So let's just see what that's like. All right, so boom, as soon as we get started, we get an orientation because one thing I realized is that a lot of folks, albeit they were using it on mobile, didn't understand how to navigate around the app, which is very important, just kind of getting people used to it before they become a user and everything like that. So this first tour focuses on just that, showing you the different parts of the app and how it all works. And it tells you, okay, this is how you return to the tour in case you want to like go explore on your own, etc. And as mentioned, well, I don't know if I mentioned, but a lot of people did see this on mobile. So this is actually what it looks like on mobile. Let me go back to my iPhone. So on mobile, you can see we have the checklist to see how far we are in the demo. So if we go to that first part again, it shows you. I wanted to point out the buttons specifically and what they do. So, that opens up the sidebar and all the rest of the ones that we saw. So this checklist kind of helps you stay guided toward the tour, and it shows you, hopefully it's only 4 minutes left, right? I know a lot of people are short on time, but I wanted to jam pack a lot of information in the best way I could. So the tour focuses on the value that it gives rather than the screens and the names of the screens per se. So get to know rainy day, see where your money went. This is an overview. Review what rainy day found. As you may be able to guess, it's the review page. See what may come next is the forecast. Understand how rainy day organizes your finances are the management pages. So these 4 here, transactions, categories, statements, accounts. And then, so we have this last one here, which is more of a call to action, which basically encourages folks to not just look at the demo and say, okay, this was cool or it looks good, but actually, leave feedback. So we can see that brings up the post-hog feedback. And I can say, based on like so far, what I've seen is that more folks are sending feedback in without me having to specifically ask or directly speak to someone. So folks are leaving feedback in terms of what bank they would like, how comfortable they are with the app, as well as what's the value that they want from this product. Yeah, folks requesting early access as well. And I've noticed that with the demo being more clear to understand, it has been shared more. So that's another benefit. Like I said, in the last video, we added post log and I added this public demo. And so I was able to get a lot more like actual iterable feedback for this update. If you saw in the last video, we do have a change log in the bottom left, which I won't read today, but it's just a don't make me think update. It's a book by Steve Krug, but it basically one of those principles of something like, if a person has to think too hard about what to do or something, like it's not really the best design or the most accessible. So this tour hopefully makes things more accessible. And from the results that I've seen, this release has been out for a little bit, like a few days now. From the results that I've personally seen, it definitely appears to be more accessible, and more folks are understanding the value that comes from the product. So that's really it for today's video. Just a minor update. But with that being said, though, with those two problems being fixed, the demo is being shared around, and I am able to gather feedback from users and persons that would love to use the app and figure out what's the most valuable thing that people want from this. So based on this actual survey and this feedback tab, and just what I hear from people that use it and look at the demo, I understand, okay, what are some of the features that I should prioritize next and getting users onboarded on here. So stay tuned for the next update. I think some exciting stuff is coming. But until then, if you watched for this long, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So stay tuned.